Welcome to Primero at Del Sol, a new townhome neighborhood in the heart of the Del Sol community built by Shea Homes. This bustling neighborhood offers desirable features and an incredible location to call home in vibrant Ventura, California. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted by striking curb appeal, stylish facades, and lush landscaping that sets the tone for the exceptional living experience that awaits inside. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by lots of natural light, designer lighting fixtures, and exquisite finishes throughout, with every detail creating a sense of luxury and sophistication. At Primero, you can explore 4 different floor plans that include up to 1,654 to 1,892 square feet, and 3 to 4 bedrooms, with desirable features like open-concept great rooms that are inviting and spacious, high-functioning kitchens with room to move from one task to the next, and supportive features like large kitchen islands and walk-in pantries. Ventura is the epitome of SoCal living, which means you can enjoy having a private patio to soak up the incredible weather year-round. The primary bedrooms are bright and comfortable, each with expansive walk-in closets and gorgeous primary bathrooms with dual vanities. Sizable secondary bedrooms are conveniently located by the upstairs laundry room and flex spaces in select floor plans. When it's time to break away from the screens, head over to the recreation center for a swim. Make your new Shea home a reflection of you. When you purchase a home at Primero, you can work with a designer at our on-site design studio to create a space you love, from flooring, light fixtures, countertops, and much more. Model homes are open daily at Primero at Del Sol. Visit sheahomes.com to schedule a tour.